If you forgot your Instagram password and want to check whether it's saved on your device, here's how to find it without resetting your password. First, close Instagram and open the Passwords app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, simply swipe down on your home screen and search for passwords. You'll need to verify your identity with Face ID, Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode. Once you're inside, tap Search and type Instagram. If your Instagram login is saved, tap on the account. You'll see your saved username and password. Tap the password field to reveal the saved password. If you don't see Instagram there's another place you can check. Open your browser and go to your Google Password Manager. Sign into your Google account if you're asked to verify your identity. Then search for Instagram. If you've previously saved your Instagram login to Google Password Manager, select the account and verify your identity. You can then tap the password field to reveal the saved password. Keep in mind, these methods only work if your Instagram password was previously saved. Instagram itself doesn't provide an option to display your current password. If it's not saved anywhere, you'll need to use Instagram's password reset option to create a new one. And that's how you can check your saved Instagram password without resetting it.